Hi friends, I'm Gabrielle Kerr and welcome on into Busy Beauty. I am going to be sharing with you some tips and tricks for making the most of your self-care and beauty routines. It's 2020, a new year, and we're reading and hearing a lot more about making time to take care of yourself, but it's hard when you're busy. I am a working mom of two little kids, a 5 and a 6-year-old, soon to be 7. Where does the time go? As a host at QVC, I've been there for the past 12 years and I've come across lots of products. I've learned a lot of things over the years about beauty, and I'm also a trained and licensed esthetician. So I really enjoy beauty, learning about beauty, performing beauty treatments. So I'm going to be sharing with you a lot of DIY tricks so that you can do beauty treatments at home, many that are spa influenced or something that you could get at a spa. And I always want to kind of break it down for you like a recipe, right? Because when you open a recipe book, it tells you the ingredients that you'll need. It tells you your prep time, your cook time. So that way you can plan ahead and know that this is how much time and what I'll need to perform this treatment. So today we are going to focus on something I feel like doesn't get a lot of attention: the skin on the body. Yeah, we spend so much time up here, but we don't treat the skin kind of below the neck or below the décolletage. So I have from Frank Beauty their original coffee scrub. So it actually comes in flavors. So this is their original in the pink bag. I think this is the most iconic. You may have seen it all over social media, but it also comes in a cacao and coffee scrub version. So cacao, meaning chocolate, yummy. And then this is the one that I actually broke into. So this is the coconut coffee scrub. And the coconut coffee scrub, definitely a sweet treat when you use it. So let's kind of start with why a body scrub. So a body scrub is often a treatment that you'll have performed in a spa because it does take a little patience. It's a little more time consuming, but we're gonna make it quick and easy to do at home. So really when I think about a body scrub, it's the ultimate in self-care. When you are loving on you, when you are feeling you, when you need a little pick-me-up, a body scrub will get you there because it's so invigorating but also relaxing at the same time. So you may have heard a body scrub referred to as a body glow or a body polish on a spa menu. So it's really all about just treating the entire body, the skin of the whole body. It exfoliates, and of course, get rid of dry, flaky, dead skin on the surface. So the Frank Body Scrub, it uses coffee. So they actually use a special blend of coffee. Can you see in there? So it uses a special blend of coffee or a special type of coffee called Robusta. The Frank brand was founded by 5 coffee-loving Australians, and they read and learned about some of the benefits of coffee for the body. So they take their blend of Robusta coffee and then they blend it with botanical extracts, essential oils, and then of course the coffee grinds themselves. Can you see this? The coffee grinds themselves are a natural exfoliant. But what I like about this one is that the grinds aren't coarse, that's not rough, they're actually really soft. It's almost like the coffee grinds that are left in the filter after you've brewed some coffee. So they're actually kind of soft. It rinses away very easily, but it has just enough grit to it, of course, to polish the skin. They put ingredients in it like almond oil, vitamin E, sea salt, all things that you know and understand. So I like that this brand has so many clean ingredients in it. So when it's all said and done, when we finish this body scrub, your skin will be smoother, softer to the touch like a baby. You'll feel so smooth. It'll be, of course, less dry. And at this time of the year, dry skin is the biggest problem. My kids, they watch this cartoon, and in the cartoon, the hot water has stopped working in the apartment building. So all the residents are upset, and there's a skeleton, and everybody's looking at the skeleton, and he's like, I just have dry skin. Like I get it. Right now, I'm feeling all dried out like a California raisin. So this is just gonna help our skin look fresher and smoother. So and improve the texture and bring back that glow and luminosity, which is what helps us look youthful and helps your skin look younger. We are filming in our Busy Beauty set, which is my bathroom. Yes. My master bath doubles as the treatment room. So maybe one day we'll take a tour. I'll show you what I'm working with in here. I give my husband facials, I give my mom facials. I've tried to give my daughter a little mini baby facial, but like 2 minutes into it, she's like, "Are we done yet?" And she thinks that what a facial is you massage your face. Not quite. All right, so what will you need? So we're gonna start with a dry brush. So this is actually the dry brush that I use. It's just a coarse bristle brush. It's not meant to be wet. You use it on dry skin, kind of like your first exfoliation step. So it exfoliates the skin, it helps to stimulate the skin, and you'll use your dry brush in long, sweeping motions, brushing up towards the heart. So you can start at your feet or your toes and feet and work your way up to the ankles, up the shins, the back of the calves, over the knees, the thighs. Then you can do your arms from the wrists up to your shoulder. You don't have to go over the body multiple times, really just 1 or 2 sweeps over the skin, and then you should have that done in literally just a few minutes. What you'll also need for your spa treatment, you'll need a shower or a tub. I highly recommend the shower. I will be the first to say that this coffee scrub is a little messy. The grains do kind of go all over the place. So the shower is the safest bet if you want the least amount of cleanup. You'll also need some old towels. Why do I say old towels? Because we're gonna wrap our body. If you've ever had a body wrap in the spa. So you'll need old towels because the coffee grains, I find, can stain towels. So use some old ones that you don't really use much or anymore, ones that need to be purged out of the linen closet, and make them your dedicated self-care spa day, me day towels. Okay, you'll also need your Frank body scrub. So whatever your flavor of choice is, either the original, the coffee, or the cacao version. You'll also need some body moisturizer for when we're all finished the treatment. That's about it. Maybe a little privacy, a warm room to perform your treatment in. It is winter, so you're gonna be naked, okay? And so I want you to be warm and comfortable. All right, so prep time on this, about 10 minutes. And when I say prep time includes the dry brushing step we already talked about. You'll also need to take those towels, and I would use a larger, like hand-sized towel. I wouldn't use a full body towel or a washcloth. Too small, too big. So what you'll do is wet those under the sink, wring them out, and then pop them in the microwave for about 30 to 45 seconds. Think of like the barbershop when they put the hot towels on the gentleman's face to help soften the skin and help prep the skin to absorb product. That's kind of what we're gonna be doing here. We're gonna be using these warm, wet towels to lock in the body scrub so that it can penetrate, so that it can really go to work on our skin. The prep time includes dry brushing, it includes our towel prep, and then that's about it. We're ready to get in and start the treatment. So the total treatment time, about 15 to 20 minutes. That's if you do your entire body. Now, if you're just gonna spot treat, maybe you have some roughness on the back of the arms, maybe around the knees, maybe you said, you know what, I'm just gonna be showing a little skin at a party or a gala or whatever it might be that you're going to, and you just wanna focus on that area that's gonna be showing. If you are a self-tanner, you're going to love a body scrub because it just helps to get rid of all that dry skin that sometimes the self-tanner can grab onto and give you an uneven tan. This will take care of all of that and prep your skin for self-tanner. So 20 minutes tops on the treatment, 10 minutes for the preps. Entire cook time, 30 minutes or less. After we have dry brushed, we've got our towels all ready. You're gonna take your wet, warm towels into the shower with you. And so step in, get in the shower, and now you get wet. So wet your skin all over, open up that Frank body scrub, and then the smell on it, so sweet. As I said, soft grains. You can kind of feel the oils, essential oils that have been mixed in with it. So how you apply your Frank body scrub, you're going to use circular motions, just kind of like the dry brush moving towards the heart. So again, start at the bottom, work your way up, really take the time to massage that body scrub onto the skin so it can help to break apart and remove and exfoliate the dry, dead skin. So what I find with this Frank body scrub, The longer you keep it on, the better your result. And so what I recommend is take your time, really work it in, cover your body in the scrub. Once you finish applying the body scrub, that's where the towels come in. So you're gonna take the towels and then wrap yourself like a mummy. Just wrap it around as tight as you can and then sit with it for a few minutes. Maybe you can wash your hair, shampoo your hair, do a little conditioning treatment. 3 to 5 minutes, that's all you'll need to let it sit. The longer though, the better. If you were at a spa, they would let you marinate in your wraps in the scrub for probably about 15 to 20 minutes. I know we're busy. We don't have time like that. I know I don't. I'm lucky to get 30 seconds to use the bathroom when I'm at home with the kids. So 3 to 5 minutes in your wraps. Once that time is up, then you remove the towels and rinse. You will instantly feel that softness to your skin. It's gonna feel hydrated. You will not be able to keep your hands off yourself because it feels so nice. Once you finish rinsing away the scrub, you may have some grains in the tub. Now's a good time to rinse the towels out, rinse the shower out, get everything clean before you exit the shower or tub, because the last and final step is applying a body moisturizer. My favorite body moisturizer, and I would try to go for something that may have firming properties. Philosophy Beauty makes a great firming body moisturizer. I love Josie Maran's Argan body butter. It's rich, it's thick, it's ultra moisturizing. So that's my moisturizer of choice. And you just apply that as you would any body lotion. And you should be anytime you take a shower, because it's always gonna help to lock in the moisture. So that should be the first thing you do after you get out of the shower or tub. Apply your moisturizer and then enjoy. So you're going to have that soft, smooth skin. You could do this treatment, of course, once a week. I wouldn't do it any more than every 5 days. That would be my recommendation, once a week. And if you need to really kind of prep something, I will say you'll get the best looking result immediately after use. So if you have a beach trip ready, I would take the body scrub with me, and then you can use the hotel towels to wrap yourself. And right before you go out and hit the beach, do this treatment and your skin texture will be improved, you'll glow, and I think will feel very confident. All right, I think that's everything. I'm Gabrielle Kerr. Thank you for tuning in to Busy Beauty. We're gonna have more episodes coming up, so I'm looking forward to this new series with you. If you like what you see, you can't wait to hear what else is coming up, like and subscribe this channel. Make sure that way you'll get the notifications when a new episode drops. And also in the comments section, let me know what kind of beauty treatments you're interested in. I'm thinking about tackling an at-home facial. Maybe we'll do a little waxing as we get closer to spring break, and more. All right, friends, it was fun hanging out with you. You and your smooth skin go and rule the world.